Good morning, children. Today we will study lesson 2 uses of computer. In the previous video, we have studied about use of computers in different fields. In this video, also we will study about some more fields where we will use a computer. Computers are used for hospitals, helping doctors to know more about diseases. Computers helps the doctors to know about diseases also. On the computer, after looking the disease, the doctors can decide how much the disease has been spread in the patient's body, which type of medicines now the doctor has to give to his patient. So with the help of computer, it is easy for the doctors also. So it is very useful in hospitals. Keeping records of patients. We all know that there are many patients in the hospitals. So computer helps the hospitals a lot. We can maintain the records of the patients on the computer, that total how many patients are there in the hospital, what medicines are giving to them, what is their medical history. All these records can be maintained on a computer. Preparing medical reports and x-rays. We can prepare medical reports also with the help of a computer. X-rays also. You can see here with the help of computer, a x-ray is being prepared of the patient. It helps us a lot. We can see on our computer that what the problem is the patient facing. So computer helps us a lot. It gives very useful information to us. Computers are used for railway stations and airports, for booking tickets. Whether it is a railway station or an airport, we want to travel through a rail or by a plane, we have to get our tickets booked. So always the tickets are booked with the help of computer. Keeping records of all the passengers. Computer helps us a lot in keeping records of all the passengers which are going to travel or which had traveled earlier. It means जो पैसेंजर पहले ट्रैवल कर चुके हैं या अब जो आगे ट्रैवल करेंगे बाय ट्रेन और एन एयरपोर्ट, कंप्यूटर we can maintain the record on a computer also of each and every passenger. Understood, children? Giving information about arrival and departure timings. When will the train arrive? When will the train depart? Depart means go. So all these informations we can give to the passengers with the help of computer. You can see on the screen also it is written. So computer provides us the timings for the arrival and departure of trains. Same way at the airport also it gives us information. Computers are used for space research and defense. Computers helping the military to make security, weapons. It means computer helps our army also to make weapons. Weapons means hathiyar, or in other way you can say gadgets also. Different gadgets are prepared for the safety of the country, of a country. So army prepares the certain weapons or gadgets with the help of computer. Finding information about space. So what is the meaning of the word space here? Means an area outside the Earth's atmosphere where planets and stars are. In Hindi, we can say antriksh. So, computer gives us information about space also, that what is happening there. So, the detail of it you will study in your further classes. Sending record rockets in space. Computer helps in sending the rockets into space also. So these are some ways in which computer helps us in space research and defense. Next, children, computers are used for learning new skills. Learning how to drive a car or fly an aeroplane. You can see here also in the picture that virtually we can take the help of computer in that how we can drive a car. Manually you can fly an aeroplane also with the help of computer. You can see here the child is learning how to drive a car virtually. It means imagine only that he is driving a car. Learning different languages, cooking, and much more. If you want to learn apart from Hindi and English, French, so you can take the help of computer also. You can search on Google also that what is the meaning in, for example, thank you. So what do we call thank you in French language? So different languages also you can learn with the help of computer. Cooking, for example, children, today you want to prepare dosa. You don't know how to make and what are the ingredients, what are the materials which we use for making it. So you can go and search on Google recipe of dosa. You will get the video also. You will get the material also, that how you can prepare it. So computer helps us a lot. It provides us information, various information to us, which is very useful for us. Computers are used for designing. Designing clothes, cars, machines, buildings, etc. Computer helps us in designing our cars also. With the help of computer we can design a car also. How the cars are being designed in the car factory. You can see here this all work is being done by the computer only. Computer helps us a lot. We can design our clothes also with the help of computer. If we want to make construct a building, so first we can make a overlook of it. We can make a map of it on a computer screen. Then with the help of it we can construct it also. So computer helps us a lot in various ways. We can making cartoons and animated movies. So with the help of computer we can make cartoons also, different types of movies, short clips also we can prepare. Designing and printing books, newspapers, magazines, etc. Children, we can design, print newspapers, magazines also with the help of computer. We can design the cover page of any book by using our computer. So computer helps us a lot. The newspapers which comes in our houses, it is also being designed with the help of computer only. Children, I hope the use of computer in different fields is clear to you. Yes, let's proceed further. Role of computers in learning and teaching. Now we will study that what type of role computer plays in learning and teaching. As we all know that computer is a wonderful tool. Computer is an amazing tool. It has made learning of learning of all the subjects interesting and easy for you. Computer has made every subject, everything very interesting and easy for us to learn. Yes, children? Good. How? Let's see. Lots of information at a click. If in our computer internet connection is there, we can get lot of information at just one click only. Let us see how. Our computer with the internet acts as an ocean of information. Children, this is true or not? It is true. If you want to select any topic, for example, children, I want to search uh, some games on computer, or I want to get some information about some city that or Taj Mahal. For example, you take I want to collect information about Taj Mahal. So when I click on it, or when I'll search on Google, so I'll get lots of information about it. So computer has answer of each and every topic. So we can search on it according to our requirements. We can search any question and get answers for the same at just a click. We can type a question there and we can get the answer at just one click only. Teachers get material on any topic and get ideas on various activities. If we teachers want to collect information on any topic, we can go to the Google and type a query there, and we can get ideas or we can get information on any topic there. We also get different ideas. The ideas which we get on net, we get on Google. Sometimes we apply in our class also to make that interesting for you. If we for example, I type quizzes on Google, on computer, so I can get many different quizzes there, different types of quizzes there. We can type worksheets also, which we provide to you, worksheets when we were in the schools. So all the worksheets are prepared by your teachers on the computer only. Setting question papers, we can set a question papers also with the help of computer. We can, it means we make your question paper on the computer only. Better presentation, we can easily modify our information and can present in a better way. Let's read once again. We can easily modify our information and can present in a better way. For example, Shiran, I just earlier I told you that I want to know about Taj Mahal. I want to know the history of it. So I search it on the internet and I get a very wide information on it. मुझे बहुत सारा information मिल गया, but I want only a few of it. मुझे उसमें से कुछ थोड़ा ही part चाहिए. So I can collect from there, and then I can modify, I can make changes according to my need, and then present you in a better format. For example, Shina, nowadays we are preparing videos for you, so it is a part of it. The material which we need, we can we can collect for us and provide it in you in a better format. Use of audio video aids. What is the meaning of audio here? It means only sounds, and video, it means sounds as well as pictures. We can make our lessons interactive through audio and video clips. Nowadays, the videos which are coming to you, they are known as video aids, video clips. It means in which the pictures and sound both are there. If I am recording my voice and sending to you, it is an audio clip. So computer makes our lessons through audio and video clips very interesting for you. Colors, sounds, and movement of objects add a fun element to the learning process. We can add different colors, different types of sounds, and we can move one object from here to here. So different types of animations, if I am using, yeah, if anyone is using in his video, it makes the learning very interesting for the person who is going to study from it. So अगर हम ऑडियो में पिक्चर्स यूज कर रहे हैं और उसे हम मूव करा रहे हैं, उसे इंटरेस्टिंग वे में उसमें कुछ और ऐड कर रहे हैं, वो आपके लिए एक इंटरेस्टिंग वे हो जाएगा लर्न करने के. Educational games and CDs are used to motivate the students, which help them to learn in a playway method. On net, you can find educational games also, then you can play them. And not only, you can use CDs. There are many CDs are available in the market, motivational CDs. By watching them, you can learn something in a playway method. खेलते खेलते इनको यूज करते हुए आप बहुत कुछ नया सीख सकते हैं. Smart classes have made the teaching and learning effective. Children, you all know that there is a smart class, or there are smart classes in our school also. So sometimes our teachers, we teachers also show you, also study you, also make you learn with the help of this smart board. We explain you the chapter, we explain you the different concepts. Sometimes we show you some motivational stories, some lesson giving stories to us, so you enjoy it now. So it computer helps us in various ways. Online teaching and testing. Teachers and students can interact with each other. Nowadays, children, which type of study mode we are using? Online. Yes, na? So in the same way, through video calls, or we can talk to each other. Yes, na? So it is online teaching. It is known as online teaching. We can communicate with each other without meeting personally. We can see each other on our phones also, on our through online also. We can talk to each other face to face. Online tests can be conducted and results can be generated in no time. For example, online tests are going on in our schools also. We are sending you the question papers and you are giving us the answers You are sending us the answers within a limited time. So it is also a part of online teaching. It is known as online test. So you are small, so you are giving in this form, but in your in the senior classes in our school, children are giving tests through Google Forms. It is also a format of online test, children. Understood, children? I hope, children, you have understood the concept well. So revise this video thoroughly. Thank you.